Whether you're using standard crutches or the Mobileg crutches, fitting them properly starts by making sure that the top of the crutch is 2 to 3 finger widths from the axilla of the armpit to the top of the crutch, and that your elbows are slightly bent. Also, make sure that you're adjusting the crutches with the shoes that you'll be wearing. You may have to do quick adjustments occasionally based on the shoe height or if you're barefoot. For the tried and true standard crutches, make sure to stand tall with your arms by your side. Adjust the length of the crutches so that the top of the crutch again is that 2 to 3 finger widths from your armpit to the top of the crutch. And the hand grips should be right at your wrist creases. Adjust the hand grips as so that your elbows will be slightly bent at about a 30-degree angle. The bottom of the crutches should be wider than the shoulder width.
For the Mobileg style crutches, stand with upright posture with the correct crutches in each hand, labeled left and right. Place the saddle under your arm 2 to 3 fingers from your armpit, then adjust the top portion of the crutch so that your elbow is slightly bent on the grips. Next, adjust the bottom portion of the crutch so that the rocker bottom is 6 inches in front of your toes. With these crutches, you have to adjust the top and the bottom of them. If you need to readjust the top to get the hand grips at the correct height, make sure you readjust the bottom half so that it's still at the correct height overall.